In order to use the Screencastify, we're going to go up to the extension and click on it, making sure that you are signed into your Google account first. You're going to click on Desktop and hit Record.
2, 1.
And you'll be able to record what you're doing on your screen. The Stop Sharing button right here. You can click View on Drive to send your recording into Screencastify folder in your Google Drive. If you choose Browser tab recording,
3, 2, 1.
You'll see right up here on the tab that it's recording. You'll also see the little recording dot on the extension itself. And if you click it, you'll be able to stop your recording. Click the Allow Others to Comment and then View on Drive.